The Bad Bunny halftime show was an absolute masterclass in three key things that make selling easier. The first is rapport. Think about those images that were shown throughout his whole performance, things that made you go like, I can relate to that. Oh, those are like my family gatherings. When people feel seen, that rapport is built. And without rapport, it is so hard to earn somebody's business. The second thing that he did was create curiosity. He wasn't trying to water down his message. He did the whole thing in Spanish, and there was so much information in there. And if some of that was new to you, instead of him translating or having a translator or the little like words bouncing below the screen for you so you knew exactly what he was saying, it gets you leaning in, wanting to learn more. And that's what you need to do in sales. You've got to create curiosity versus trying to tell everyone everything all the time before they even ask. Because now people can go and look for the information that they want more, like they want to dig deeper about. And you should be able to do that in your sales conversations. Let people ask questions. That way you can focus on the things that are most interesting to them. And then the third thing was conviction. Now, talk about standing in your message, regardless of whether or not it was for everyone. Frankly, in sales, you shouldn't be trying to sell to everyone. Your message should be for your ideal client. So stand in your conviction. You don't need to speak to everyone. Speak to your ideal buyer and then let other people self select out if they're not for it. And that's exactly what he did. It was so brilliantly done. And I just love a good sales lesson. What was your favorite part?